Good morning, students. Here we go with another Elizabethan to Jacobean drama. A great writer, indeed. Francis Bacon. He was born in the year 1561 and died in the year 1626. Philosopher and statesman Francis Bacon was born in London on 22nd January 1561. His father, Sir Nicholas Bacon, was the Lord Keeper of the Great Seal under Queen Elizabeth I. His mother, Lady Anne Cook Bacon, was his father's second wife and daughter to Sir Anthony Cook, a humanist who was Edward VI's tutor. Political and literary career देखते हैं. Bacon composed his first political memorandum, a letter of advice to Queen Elizabeth, which earned him instant attention. Bacon's political career flourished under the reign of King James I. He was knighted in 1603 and further went on to receive a number of appointments, including Solicitor General, Attorney General, Lord Chancellor, and his father's old position, Lord Keeper of the Great Seal. He also became a membership of the Privy Council and received into titles Baron Verulam and Viscount St. Albans. His political career came to an abrupt end in 1621 when he was impeached for taking bribes. Bacon pleaded guilty and spent 4 days in prison at the Tower of London. Because of this, he lost his position at the court. He devoted the remaining years of his life writing and produced some of the most significant works such as the History of the Reign of King Henry VII 1622 में, 6 essays on natural history called The History of Winds 1622 में, and De Ormentis Centenarium 1623 में. Francis Bacon died at Highgate in the Earl of Arundel's house on 9th April 1626 में due to complications arising from bronchitis. ब्रोंकाइटिस के कारण की मृत्यु हो गई. मेजर वर्क्स इन्होंने जो लिखी, एसेज रिलीजियस मेडिटेशन 1597 में, द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द कॉमन लॉ ऑफ इंग्लैंड 1597 में, आर डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ द प्रैक्टिसेस एंड ट्रेजर्स अटेम्प्टेड एंड कमिटेड बाय रॉबर्ट रेड अर्ल ऑफ एसेक्स एंड हिज कॉम्प्लेंसीज 1601 में, सर फ्रांसिस बेकन हिज अपॉलजी इन सर्टेन इम्प्यूटेशंस कंसर्निंग द लेट अर्ल ऑफ एसेक्स, इन्होंने इसे लिखा. 1604 में, सर्टेन कंसिडरेशन टचिंग द बेटर फैसिफिकेशन एंड एडिफिकेशन ऑफ द चर्च ऑफ इंग्लैंड 1604 में लिखा. इस तरह से इन्होंने ढेर सारे लिखे हैं. द विजडम ऑफ द एंशियंट 1619, नॉवगम ऑर्गेनिज्म 1620, द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द रेन ऑफ किंग हेनरी VII एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट 1622 में लिखा है. द हिस्ट्री ऑफ विंड 1622 में लिखा है. एपोथो जेम्स न्यू एंड ओल्ड 1625 में लिखा है. द न्यू एटलांटिस 1626 में लिखा है. Now let us see further important quotes of Bacon. If a man will begin with certainties, he shall end in doubts. But if he will continue to begin with doubts, he shall be end in certainties. Knowledge is power. Very important है. Fame is like a river that beareth up things light and solemn and drones things weighty and solid. Reading makes a fool man, confidence a ready man, and writing an exact man. Okay. Imagination was given to a man compensate him for what he is not. A sense of humor to console him for what he is. Wives are young man's mistresses, companions for middle age, and old man's nurses. So thank you so much. So this is the end of the Bacon's lifestyles and his writings. Thank you. Next thing in the next video.